Let's take a look at this next problem. We got, oops, try it again. Got a tablet, doesn't write good all the time. 5x to the fourth minus 5x to the third plus 10x squared minus 10x. Well, first off, I'll look for the GCF. And I look at all four terms, and I see that all the numbers are divisible by 5, so I can bring out a 5. Now this has 4x's, 3x's, 2x's, 1x. I want to bring out the one with the smallest exponent, which is x the first, or x. Okay, now a factor means to divide out. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. We had 4x's, took 1 away, so that leaves these 3x's. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. We had 3x's, took 1 away, leaves us 2x's. Plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. We had 2x's, took 1 away, so that leaves us a single x. Minus 10 divided by 5 is 2, and we took that x away. So we're going to have x to the third minus x squared plus 2x minus 2 inside of the parentheses. Now looking at just what's inside the parentheses, we got 4 more terms. That tells us factoring by grouping. So I'm going to group the first 2 terms together, group the last 2 together. 5x just carries down. If I look at the first group, the GCF of that is x squared. Again, you always bring out the x to the smallest power. So then we had x to the third, 3x's, took 2 of them away, so these are single x, minus, we had 2x's, took both of them away. It appears like nothing's left, but you're always left with the invisible 1 in factoring if you factored everything away. Now here we're going to factor out the GCF, which is 2, and that gives us x minus 1. Now our goal was to get these parentheses the same, which they are. 5x just carries down, and I'll put the x minus 1 out in front. Now to see what goes in your second set of parentheses, cross out the x minus 1's. And what isn't crossed out is what goes right here, which would be x squared plus 2. And that would be our answer.